last day of this is the last day and the first week we are doing the code. So yesterday we get to the problem where like here. So in order to change it, we only add a static there. We just add a static and like making it work. So after that, this is going to be working. It is his stat win, which is currently the get win is 0, and now we think we initialize him into stat get win so that it get to 1, but we still need to try. Again, print line this account dot set win get win. Okay, so we are going to do it again. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 1. Now let us begin is 0. You get the problem right. 1. Perfect. So we now get him winning. Yes. So we are going to write it again. If you do want to play system.out.println, do you want to play it again? So this is the time we are going to activate another recursion. If int t is equals to new int. Wait, int t is equals to scan.next int. What the heck? Why I'm trying to write a new int? Okay, since t is already existing, we write x. If x is equals to 1, then we do guessing number, which is a type of recursion, else nothing, just activate nothing. So we have finished the easy part, I mean almost. However, we are going to do it like this since we have the attempts. Else if enter attempts minus minus, which we minus the attempt once, and system.out.println. It is too small. So like if it's too small, it will have the arrow like this with that button. Okay, here I find it. So on the opposite side, if it is larger, so we are also going to minus attempt. System.out.println, which is it is too large. Hardest guessing number that involves extremely luck in the history. Okay, so break. Okay, the break is there. While attempts is larger than 0, now let us begin. So it should be at here. Okay, so if it is actually breaking out, which means it has 0 attempts after all, we are going to do this. How should we do it? System.out.println. Sorry, you failed again. System.out.println, which we do another one. Do you want to try it again? Int t is equal to scan.next int. If t is equals to 1, which means yes. So what we are going to do is we are going to change back. Change back. Okay, I seem like I'm writing the wrong way. It doesn't have the correct parameter. Okay. What the heck? Oh yes, I forgot to capitalize. Okay, it is now working. Int g is equals to scan.next int. Oh, I'm a genius. Okay. So if G is equals to 0, okay, change back 1 break. It is a perfect code. So now we are going to try whether it actually works. Again, we are going to, wait, which part do I edit? Okay, here, I see. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make your decision 1, 1. Now let us begin. Okay, so I think I shouldn't change that to 1. Let's do that to 1000. 1000 is too large. Let's do 500. You know, the game should not be like using a strategy to just can win. Because you know there is one strategy that you divide the first half, the game into first half, and then if it's too large, then you try another half, like 1/4 and 1/8 and 1/16. It is like a type of logarithm, but if everyone do that, like the game won't be interesting. So we are going to set a number that it is deeply involved with guessing. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make your decision. 1. You choose the game. Middle, easy, hard. Now let's begin. It is too small. Why write 1? Okay, now we write 1, 2, 3. So it is still too small, which is 157. 199. What? Oh, I have one last tryout. Sorry, you failed the game again. Okay, if I click 0, it will have the result. If it doesn't click, then it won't have. So I'm going to write the correct number. I mean, you need to let them like show the correct number. You need to show the correct number to the audience. Outdoor print line. The correct number is plus t. So it is now making everything more perfectly, elegantly perfect. System, you have attempt. So we are going to write something as hint. You have attempts left. So we do this. System.out.println. You have attempts left. Now we try this again. So we start the game. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, which is the game 1. Now let us begin, which is we choose a number. So we click 100 first. It is too large. We now have 4 attempts. Oh, just sorry. I find a problem here. Let's change this into larger than 0. Okay, so we now try again by clicking 1, 2, 3. Oh, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1. So now we try again. Guess which number I should use? 126. It is too large. 75. It is too large. 28. So I have 2 attempts left. It is a hard game. I'm going to choose 48. It is too small. My last attempt. It is my last attempt. 48 to 75. 65. No. Okay, I get that wrong again. Okay, the correct number is 53. So this is how actually the game approximately working. Do you want to try it again? No, I don't want to try it again. Okay, if G is... Okay. Try it again. So we are going to like set loose. Once that gets... So we just do a set lost. I mean, have I classical, like, what's that called? Like, define the set lost? No, I haven't. So, it is an easy job to do set win and set lost, which we call it set loose. Okay, it is a duplication set loose. Int set loose. So this loose is equals to set loose. So we add a getter and setter here. And we are going to write the set loose. Where's it? Okay, set loose. Okay. Perfect. Oh, sorry, it should be here, I suppose. It should be there. Set loose. This account dot get loose. So it is now somewhat functional. So now the job is easy. Like what we need to do is we only need to like write them. I mean, what's that called? Print them. Like just do a copy paste. Okay, where is it? Okay, so I'm going to copy paste the entire code here. This part is actually an easy part. You don't need to copy this part. What's that called? Break. Large part. So we click correct button and we do this. So it is now working here, case 3, which we set an infinitely large number called 100,000. Blind writing. Okay, let's see this. Okay, so we have done 1, 2, 3 code, which is here, here, and there. What we are going to do next is we are going to set something to mark the end of this week's coding, and the coding will be resumed for next week. Okay, this week because the week has 7 days. Okay, so public void display. Corrections. So print line, your total number of game is, so we are going to do an int win is equals to this account dot set get win. Int loose is equals to this account dot get loose. Okay. Int total is equals to win plus lose. And we are going to set here. But this we only need a getter. We don't need a setter for good mark. Good mark and average mark. Public void. Get mark. Get good. Int get good. Good mark. Return good mark. I don't need a parameter here, I suppose. Int good mark. Int. Public int get average. Return average mark. So that they will actually work. Int go good is equals to get good. This account dot get good. Int average is equals to this account dot get average. Your total number of game is plus total. Number of win is plus win. So this part is actually just not complex. Because what you need to do is you only need to type them one by one. I suppose, yes, it is the correct way. Okay, your total number of lost is number of loses. Then dot out dot print line. Your total mark of good. System. Your average mark is so this now we form this code and we are going to test it. Which if we click, we are going to write a case. We are just going to change default from main page into display. What? Oh, int correction. Why I need an int corrections? Who make this? Okay. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 1, 1. Sorry, 27. 60. It is too large. What the heck? Why I write 9? Okay, it's 14. It is too large. 1 attempt left. 10, 11, 12, 13. 25% chance. So we have determined the range. No, it is incorrect. Okay. Wait. What the heck am I'm trying to do? I'm going to just show you the basic format or layout of display. Okay. So 1, 1. Oh, sorry. I'm doing 1, 1. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. So it is on the basic mode, which it does not actually give changes. So this proves that this code is actually success. So I'm going to, for the next week, what we are going to focus on is going to be some movements of the game. Now our game is like static game. Like it should be involving more excitement, like PvP, 2 vs 2, like this type of game. So the next week we are going to do is to improve the original code and make it better. And we are able to create the new game called Snake. I mean not Snake and Ladders. I mean that's Snake that is moving like on the Google platform. So just wait for the next week. Thank you.